And welcome back to Love Your Food. This week we have this simple and delicious Thai relish called ajad, and it is based on cucumbers and shallots, as you can see here. Now before we get started, I'd like to remind everyone that we have a Patreon. If you'd like to support us there, please check out the link in the description below. We also have an affiliate link with Chef's Temp if you need a kitchen thermometer or meat probe. Please check out the link in the description, and code LOVEYOURFOOD will get you 15% off at checkout. And now our ingredients. We've got some hot peppers, some shallots, some cucumber, some plain white sugar, and some white vinegar. So the first thing we're going to do is make a gastrique, which is to mix the vinegar and the sugar together and heat them up, and we're going to dissolve that sugar in the vinegar. Now that might not look like enough vinegar to really dissolve all that sugar, but once it's hot, it will actually hold a lot more. So we're just going to heat that up on our induction burner here. And after a little while, you're going to start seeing some little convection lines coming around the outside like this. And just leave it. You don't really want to do too much to it. Once it starts to boil, we're going to add a little bit of water to this. Now you don't want to add too much water. You don't want it to be too soupy, but we do want to add a little bit of water just to help hold all that sugar in there, basically. And you can see it is pretty much all dissolved by now. So that's perfect. So we're going to let that completely cook, make sure there's no grains of sugar still visible, and then let that cool down to about room temperature, a little above. In the meantime, we're going to do the mise en place for the rest here. So we're going to chop our shallots. And then we're also going to chop our hot peppers. We're using serranos. Now, it would be a little more traditional to use Thai bird chilies for this, of course, but we had serranos in our garden this year, and they are delicious, so we're going to add those to this. And they will add a beautiful heat to this, and we're just going to cut those into rounds. Now, I did have a shot of the cucumber that we cut up. You can see it in there, and that file, for some reason, did not survive. It corrupted. So I don't have a shot, but we cut it into wedges and then chopped it from wedges into... So just cut the cucumber in half, and then into wedges like French cutting an onion, and then add a little bit, and then cut it into slices. So you can see we added just a little bit more water there to bring up the total amount in our gastrique. So that is the sugar and vinegar mixture. And we're just going to make sure that that is nicely room temperature or a little above. We don't want to cook all this stuff in there, but we do want to marinate it. And it's sort of like a quick pickle or a fridge pickle. And this is going to sit overnight. So we're just going to add in all of that gastrique, that beautiful dressing. And there's a lot of flavor in that. The sugar and the vinegar are very bright flavors, of course. And we're just using plain white vinegar. We actually use pickling vinegar, which is 7%. Typical vinegar is usually about 5% acetic acid. And we're just going to mix that all together and make sure it's all well combined. And then this is going to go into 1 or 2 containers. We actually made a little bit more than would fit into one container of this size. So we made a second smaller container as well. And that is it there. So this is the next day, and you can see some of the red from the shallots has come out of the shallots. And all of those flavors have really come together, and it's a little bit spicy from all those beautiful peppers in there. And we made beef satay, which is actually going to be our video next week. And this is a classic garnish to go with beef satay. So, peanut sauce, very traditional, but it's not really complete until you get the ajad on there as well. It's absolutely delicious, super versatile, can go with a lot of different things, lots of bright flavors, a little bit spicy. Really, really use this in your cooking. If you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe, and if you have any recipes you'd like to see Chef Caleb try on the channel, please let us know in the comments below. We'd like to thank our patrons over on Patreon. Please check out the link in the description below if you'd like to support us there. And remember to love your food.